Hi everyone, my name is Melody, and this is my first official video here on YouTube. So today, I just kind of wanted to do a soft glam look, the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. Just kind of wanted to do a neutral full cut crease. So we'll see how that turns out, and let's just get started. So I always prime my lids with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in the shade C2. Okay, lids are primed. I usually put my face on first, but Anastasia shadows usually have a lot of fallout if you touch into them too much, so I thought I'd do that last today. So, let's get into it. I also forgot to set. So I set my eyeshadow base with the Physicians Formula Translucent Powder. It's a basic powder that you can find at the drugstore. Okay, so taking my Beach Cosmetics V5 brush, I'm going to go in with Orange Soda. And that is going to be my transition shade. Gonna make windshield wiper motions with the little tail to make sure that you get that full cut crease on there. Alright, so once we have that transition shade packed on, I'm going to take a different fluffy blending brush, which will be a very similar BH Cosmetics brush, and I'm going to go in with the shade Burnt Orange and just deepen up where I just was putting eyeshadow. But this time we're going to bring it slightly lower than the Orange Soda shade. Alright, once that's done, I'm going to take the shade Sienna, because it kind of has like that brown pink shift to it. Well, reddish brown, I guess is what I should say. Reddish brown shift, and put that even just a little bit lower and more concentrated with this e.l.f. blending eye brush. This is actually going to be my darkest shade because I wanted to do something neutrals and not super heavy. So we want to make sure that we really build this up so that when we cut our crease, that is the very darkest shade at the edge. Alright, after that, we are going to cut our crease. So I'm going to take this flat crown brush. It's really not the best brush to use, but it's the only one that I have clean-ish right now. So I'm going to go back in with that same concealer and just pick up some like off of the tip so that you don't grab too much. Like, don't stick your whole brush on the bottle. That's not going to be good. And then kind of swipe it on and cut your crease, and you want to go all the way out to where that line you did. Okay, and then I'm just gonna go in with this BH Cosmetics like pointy tip brush, and we're just gonna deepen up that edge where we put the shade Sienna. It's kind of a trick if you accidentally cut your crease too far or you can't see that dark shade anymore. We're gonna put it back in there. And then we're going to go back in with our big blending brush and just take the color Burnt Orange and kind of make sure that that looks nice and blended. Okay. Next, I'm going to go ahead and put on eyeliner, because with full cut creases, I like to put on my eyeliner before my foundation so that I know where to wipe away this mess over here. Alright, so eyeliner is on, and I'm going to do my whole face. I recently bought the Conceal and Define Makeup Revolution foundation that's supposed to match their concealer, so that's what I'm going to be using in the shade F5. And for primer, I'll be using the Cover FX Blurring Primer. Alright, I'm back. Foundation is done. I'm going to set it with the Physicians Formula Translucent Setting Powder. So let me just go do that. Alright, I'm back. So I ended up finishing up the rest of my base. And I used the Milani Bronzer XL All Over Glow and the Pretty Vulgar Blush and Make Them Blush. Hush Blush? I'm not sure which is the actual name of it, but anyways. The only other thing I think I'm going to do is I'm going to smoke out the bottom with these like kind of brownish colors to kind of bring the look together. Alright, so I did that, and I did it very lightly because I'm not one to put a bunch on the bottom, but I do think a little bit brings the look together. I'm going to go ahead and use these lashes, Lashaholic lashes, that I just got in my Boxy Charm. And I'm going to use this Scone Brow Wand to do my brows, and I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera, and I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. I went ahead and did all the rest of my face, put on these new lashes, and I forgot to tell you about lipstick, so I'm letting that dry right now. But overall, I think this look turned out okay for not having a plan in my mind. Let me know what you guys think. Any suggestions for new videos, put them in the comment box below. Thank you for watching.